Hello and welcome back to Backstage Access. So we're doing another year of viewing parties. This time around, we're doing it for Slation Royale. It's quite exciting because after the success of season 3, I think there's a whole new international attention to the Drag Race Philippines franchise. WOW Presents and Full House did a really good job at deciding to make this next season into an international season. And what I'm super excited about this time around, in terms of the show, is the diversity of the Asian cast. Because it's not just Asians from Asia, which is already not very well represented in terms of like the whole franchise, but it's Asians from different backgrounds, different cultures. In terms of like the viewing parties, I'm just happy to be here. I'm happy to be a fan this time around. Wala na akong kaba every episode kung anong lalabas sa edit o hindi.
It really hurts.
Hopefully, mapanindigan namin tong vlog type atake every week kasi ang dami sa inyong ginagamit na content farming viewing party namin. So ako din, sama din ako. I'll take you with me while we go through this series of viewing parties, but this is episode 1.
Hard! Pagkakers!
Hi!
Drag Race Slation Royale! Sino dito ang first time sa aming viewing party ba? Oo, kasi nakagaling pumunta sa poblasyon. Yes, at sino naman dito ang suki namin sa Begene? Yes. Sino sa tingin nyo ang wish nyo naging part ng Station Royale? Sino? Hindi siya siya. Nasaan na yung pera mo, hindi na makakalibre. Okay, sino ba? Ana, bitches, napagkakasing sa dalalas na siya, wait lang. Who else? Angel, yes, sino ba? Tita Baby. Yung pagsabi niya na Tita Baby, parang ka-generating ng baby. Okay, we will kick off the show, of course, kasama ang aking co-host.
Okay. That's my cue.
Naman ang nag-uplift ng rap community.
Walang katapusan.
Open ng doors si Giovanni. So please, kicking off our show, my co-host, my love, the one and only Vic Chanel. So, kamusta ka naman, Mix?
I'm so excited kasi this season, funny na lang ako ulit. Yes!
Of course, one of your sisters from your season, si Kiana, is back. Parang nagpahinga ba siya even?
Hindi. Parang after namin mag-filming, sabi niya, sis, diretso na ako Slation, hintayin ko na sila dito. No, but I think if there really was any one of us from our season, I think still the top rated season IMDb,
Yeah.
it would have been Kiana. I think she is the one that has the strength, the tenacity, ano pa bang thesaurus words ko? Strength, tenacity, confidence to carry, going straight into another season and going head to head, toe to toe with international queens.
Ayun, diba? Some things never change. Mahilig pa rin siya sa run-on sentences.
Yes.
Yes.
So who is excited to see our Slation Royale queens?
Yes.
Pero syempre, bago sila palabasin ulit, we have to introduce a local talent, an up-and-coming, someone na kailangan yung abangan.
Correct. Hinog na. Ang dami na naghihintay, di ba?
Parang kahit nga yung show, hinihintay na lang din siya.
Correct. So please welcome the pride of Baguio, the one and only
MP Radora! Live version. From Marina Summers to Summer Capital.
Yes, ang smart mo doon.
Sakto lang. Huwag ka masyado ano.
Hello po! Sige, huwag na lang.
Ayan.
Hello, what's up? So,
Ayan.
ano na, mag-audition ka ba sa season 4?
Ano po, abangan nyo na lang po.
Yeah!
Abangan nyo na lang kung mag-audition ako. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, pag nakapasok ako doon, makikita nyo ang hagupit ng Baguio at ng San Juan, love nyo.
Nandito tayo lahat para sa Drag Race Philippines, para sa Station Royale, para sa ating Ru Girls, mga comeback nila. Pero syempre, huwag natin kalimutan suportahan ang ating local drag community.
Speaking of house lights nga, ang dami nating drag queens in the audience right now. Kayo na, mamaya pa kayo po ng stage tayo. Kayo, ayan na.
Ayan, nandito po ang Royalty. Shout out to Royalty. Supporting Arizona.
Correct. Drag Race Global All-Stars. Pangalaman. Magaling lang. Hello. Ay.
Oh! Ilang inches?
Ilang inches? 7 inches pag matik.
May bata ba? Hi everyone! Happy Station Royale Day!
Palakpakan natin, di ba? Even me, everyone.
Bakit mo ako, please?
Thank you so much, Diva. Alright, so diba?
Busog na busog tayo sa mga ganap First Station Royale.
Tuloy ang kapitalismo sa drag.
Correct! Ating season 2 Miss Congeniality. Hannah Beshi!
Mga bigyan ng settled time, maybe it's their time now. Seryoso. Joke kayo naman tayo.
Speaking of joke tayo,
Oh, sige, sige.
dahil best friend mo siya, ano ang masasabi sa Station Royale ng isang Jessica Soho?
Wait lang. Papasok ko na si Mickey Mouse.
What's up?
Ano ka naman, Miss Jessica? Ikasunod ako sa AMJS. Diba? Ano siya? Ang title is... walang isip. Okay, gusto na ako, Miss Jessica. Gagayahin kita. I'm so excited for today, promise. Kasi, sa mga kilala ko, yung mga close ko, si Aria, si Bernie, si Kiana, sila yung mga nakakachika nyo dati. Grabe yung preparation nila.
Yes.
Grabe yung paghahanda nila for this moment. Kaya lumabas na siya. Wala na.
Speaking of preparation, Hannah Beshi, balita ko ikaw daw gumawa ng promo look ni Kiana.
Yes, thank you. I made her promo. I made her. Nagkakilala. Actually, kinalpot ko siya nung mga February. So, nanganak siya ng mga August.
So now it is time to watch the brilliant.
Pero syempre meron tayong ditong couch na walang laman. Lagyan naman natin ng laman.
It's time for a movie. It's
Arizona Brandy. Pero magpapatalo ba ang top Angela player sa ML sa Pilipinas? Please welcome Bernie!
Hindi na ito makikilala, makikikain, makikinom, lahat. Are you ready for the premiere episode? Please, palakpakan natin episode 1 of Drag Race Philippines.
Asian Royale!
Drag Race Philippines Season 2. Madam Yoko!
Ay naman! Ba't ka may reveal? Diba? Ay naman eh! Handa siya gago!
Kaya let's look it up!
Not legal. The winner of today's challenge is Kiana!
Pero deserve naman ni Kiana kasi talagang parang nilampaso niya yung kalaban niya. Nilampaso, she mocked her enemy.
We have Bernie! Hi, Bernie! How are you feeling right now? I don't feel any pressure right now.
You sheer.
You're sheer. I'm sure, bitch. Bernie, pick your choice. Nancy.
Do you believe that love is love, regardless of gender or identity? Why or why not?
Hindi mo alam, Maxi, kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun. Oh my God, nakakaloka ka. Hindi mo alam talaga. So anyway, para pa hindi natin alam, love is all around the world. Thank you, Miss Karen. Mr. Kelly.
Something wrong. This
Kaya naman naglaro.
What would you say to a trans person who feels like Kiana? How can we teach kids to be proud of their Asian heritage?
Okay. Since you won in the mini challenge, you have additional 5 seconds to answer this question. Your timer starts now.
Thank you very much. I believe that every kid should be proud of whether they're Asian or not. It's about time to think before making a choice. Meron kayo at kung Asian kayo or kung ano kayo, basta mahal yung isa't isa and may puso kayo makakita para sa buong mundo and I thank you.
Arizona, how would you use your platform to promote inclusivity and understanding for the LGBTQIA+ community?
I would use my platform to promote inclusivity to the LGBTQIA community by facing any challenges with my head held high. Moments ago, I was given the disadvantage of having 25 seconds to answer. I would be an example of just standing up and facing all the challenges. And
Question and answer portion. The results
This has been your host, John Santos. With your Q&A, you had a disadvantage and you turned it into your advantage. Thank you all of you for showing how Asian excellence is all about. Now, me, Something Wong and Madam Yoko, you are the bottom two this week. you choose to eliminate is
Bakit daw naging horror?
safe for your legs. Just stand before me. Prior to tonight, you're asked to prepare a lip-sync performance of debut. Remember the group Cat's Eye. Hi, CM, Sawadi ka, but I am more Sawadi cunt. Good luck at
Just gotta make it seem just me, myself, my business.
Start muna with Bernie. Dito tayo, nalaman natin si Bernie. Ay, ako pala una. Oo. So, you also have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay. So, ano yung naisip ko ng mga panahon na binalik mo sa judge yung tanong niya?
Kasi parang mga gago din sila, di ba? Hindi magaguhan kami. Parang pinapit ko lang ng time na yun. Parang sabi ko, parang hindi ko dapat kayo ng seryoso kayo. Kasi parang lahat naman puro gaguhan na naman nangyayari dito eh. Kung gagaguhin nyo, kung gagaguhin ko din kayo. Di ba? Parang ganun ang ginawa ko. Pinakisip ko talaga ng time na yun.
Yes, it's safe to say she got a high placement this week.
Correct. Ika nga ay top safe.
Diba?
High safe siya. And she got commended for turning her disadvantage into an advantage. So actually, siguro yun yung una kong tanong sa'yo. Anong feeling na ikaw, sa'yo na punta yung disadvantage?
Sorry, I can't understand Tagalog. No, yung feeling ng time na yun, sobrang ano siya, malaking compliment siya, especially coming from Kiana, right? Especially coming from Kiana, kasi isa si Kiana sa mga tinitingala ako, lasing na ako. Isa sa mga tinitingala ako, so compliment siya for me. Ganun. Sobrang saya ng episode na to, as in, ang saya. Tapos natuwa ba kayo? Okay, thank you. I have my own view. Ba't ako nag-English? Mas na muna yung nag-English dito. Sabi na, oo. Bigay! Bigay!
Bigay!
Bigay! Bigay! Bigay! Ayun. Sorry. This Sunday, every Sunday siya sa Jose, meron akong rewind party. Viewing party siya, pero ako yung nag-operate ng laptop. So, pwede kong i-pause, pwede kong i-forward. Gusto ko, lip-sync na agad. Ayun, hindi pa kayo masusunod. Ako ang masusunod. Because it's my show. Bigay, bigay, bigay. Bigay!
Bigay! Bigay! Bigay! Bigay! Wait, so I asked her this question earlier in the dressing room, but who taught you your entrance line?
My security.
The security staff. And how did you come up? Why did you think of saying something in Filipino for your entrance
For
line?
me, to be honest, come to Philippines and feel like I belong to be a part of Filipino because when I moved to San Francisco, the friends that I have, the people that I feel familiar with me is Filipino friends.
Not the second season, Ro. Second premiere episode na Minnie and Maxi ang napanalunan.
Nanalo kayo.
Sobrang galing ka niya.
Thank you po.
Okay, simulan natin sa mini challenge window. At ang kanina kasi mabugat. Sasakot na sila sa kapaklaan kanina dahil sa performance.
Thank you so much, guys. Puro take you na si Bro Mayor. Pero yun, yes, we worked hard sa mga ginawa namin sa loob. Kaya sana, you know, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa episode dahil I did my most, you know, I'm sorry. And yes, thank you so much.
Hindi na lang. Ay!
second, winner of the shoot
Yung konti. Okay.
Very interesting fact. Ang nanalo ng Shootakan ng Season 1 was a runner-up si Marina Summers. Ang nanalo ng Shootakan ngayon, si Kiana naman. Diba? Cinematic parallels po. Diba? Let's talk about this win. Kasi, yes, nanalo ka sa premiere episode 1 ng season. Pero syempre, all stars ko. Ibang buwan nito. Kamusta yung headspace mo? Kinakabahan ka ba? Or talagang feeling mo kayang-kaya mo lang pasuhin ang song na ito?
Actually, nakita niyo yung face ko, talagang hindi ko in-expect. Talagang feel ko kasi guys, na parang nakikita ako sa loob. Kaya siguro yung facial expressions ko, hindi masyadong giving. Pero na-surprise naman ako. Ngayon, I am, wow, so proud of myself.
As you should. Actually, kayo ni Siam yung pinaka-fresh from your seasons coming into this competition and kayo pa yung nag-top 2. You should be really proud of yourself.
Thank you so much.
And girl, honestly, I think I can speak for our whole season that we are also very proud of you.
Yes, of course. I mean, I was not there just representing myself. I was representing the whole season 3. The references that I did, that I said, ano ba? Ayun, talagang everywhere I go, talagang lagi ko kayo iisip lahat.
If you want to follow in the footsteps of our mini challenge winner, Kiana, today meron tayong pa-mini challenge with Green Silk.
Correct. Everybody say it with me. Good luck at dapat. Alright, malakpakan naman natin. Talaga naman, hindi natiis. Binigyan talaga tayo ng show.
Naiiwan ng isang kasabihan. Hindi lahat ng CR may tao. Yung iba, mal tayo.
At nag-iwan pa ako ng isang kasabihan na pwede na po kami iyot-iyotin, huwag lang didiin bakit ang puki namin, ba't ang puki?
At nag-iiwan po ako ng isang kasabihan na hindi po kabastos-bastos, ngunit kapupulutan po ng mga aral. That breast milk is the best for babies after 2 years and beyond!
Standing in front of you, yes, tama po kayo. It's me, Congresswoman Geraldine. Kung si Rizal pinugutan ng ulang nalagay sa piso, kaming mga bakla, bigay piso.
Subo ulo.
Standing in front of you is a fresh. Standing na lang.
Yes, na-overwhelm ako dahil. Sobrang nakaka-proud ka kasi for more, gusto ko yung alam mo yung choreo.
So, totoo yun na every time na nasa ako, na-pressure ako dahil sa inyo. Ako. Dala-dala ko kayo.
At kahit anong kalabasan, te, proud naman kami sa'yo. Kasi bakla, ikaw na yan.
Alam mo
Bakla, ikaw na yan. Ikaw lang ang lumaban sa atin. Ikaw lang ang dumiretso mula season natin papasok na Station Royalty. Proud kami sa'yo, Tias.
Thank you.
Okay na ako, mamaya na ako.
Kasi kaya naiiyak-iyak na ako.
we got, as an illustration dress, we got Bernie. Please welcome back to stage, Bernie. Arizona Brandy. Sia Lucia. And of course, we also got the Emperadora sa aming lineup. So, yes.
And that was it for the premiere of Slajon Royale, our viewing party for episode 1. Ayun, feels good to be back home. Back home! No, but it feels good to be doing what I love to do back here in the viewing parties at Pekenemen. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. Okay, bye!